a Tab.
Hi, I'm Catherine. Welcome to 3 Ps in a Tab. Today I want to share with you 2 upgrades we made to our Tab 400 bed. Both of these ideas come from a March 14th, 2020 blog post on the Big Guy Tiny Trailer website. This website has been one of my go-to resources for tips about traveling in our Tab. We followed the clear directions in the blog post, and we are very happy with the results. Here are the upgrades we made. First, we added a foam mattress topper on top of the existing cushions, and second, we slid a 2x4 along the base of the bed to keep those original cushions from sliding. For a mattress topper, we purchased the queen-sized mini-sun mattress from IKEA. It was recommended in the blog post and it cost $139. The mini-sun mattress measures 79.5 inches long by 59 and 7/8 inches wide. According to the New Camp website, the bed in the Tab 400 is 79 inches long by 55 inches wide. This means the IKEA mattress needed to be trimmed. To begin this project, we followed these steps. First, we pushed the 3 existing cushions together and measured the perimeter lengths. The cushion area measured 78 inches long by 55 inches wide. The lengths of the corner cut off by the refrigerator were 5 and 7 inches. Next, we unzipped the mattress cover and removed the foam mattress inside. The points of the egg cups are designed to face up, so we flipped the mattress upside down before making our cuts. We used a T-square to measure how much we needed to trim off the side. When we measured the lengths of the triangular corner, the diagonal hypotenuse was approximately 10 inches long. We used an electric turkey carver to do our cutting, and it worked out great. When we finished cutting, we flipped the mattress over, slid it back inside the cover, and zipped it up. I didn't modify the external mattress cover in any way, since the changes to the size of the mattress were minimal. Before we carried the mattress into the Tab, Oscar purchased and sanded a 4-foot 2x4. We slid the 2x4 along the base of the bed below the TV shelf. The addition of the 2x4 keeps the 3 original cushions from shifting beneath the mattress topper. We already loved the bed in our Tab 400, but the addition of the new topper made it even better. Unfortunately, when we wrapped all of our sheets and cold weather blankets around the topper, it added quite a bit of side thickness. This was irritating because it prevented the drawer underneath the closet from opening smoothly. So we had to remove the mattress, unzip the cover, and cut off an additional 1.5 inches from the length. Now the drawer opens and closes smoothly. Here is a doodle of our final recommended measures for modifying this particular mattress. Many thanks to the Big Guy Tiny Trailer website for recommending these upgrades. We hope this video was helpful, and we wish you sweet dreams and deep sleep on your next camping adventure.